Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. So in this video I will show you how you can actually get your radio code for your Renault Clio Mark IV. To do that, well, I've already taken the system off. As you can see, there's a separate video on that and it's actually very easy. Just take the trim off, then 4 screws, you can get the radio out. Now to get the radio code, we will have to download this app. Now I'm actually on my Android phone and this app is called Renault Radio Code Calculator. Let me download this thing. Let's open this up. Now once you open that app, there's an option like where you can actually scan the code on your radio, which I'm about to do now. So I'm scanning the barcode and now I got my code. So the code I have is, let me enter this here, 3148. Just gonna enter this now and I should be able to get in my radio. There you go. That's how easy it is. Yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful. As always, just do make sure to give it a little thumbs up, share. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure you do. And there you have it. That's how you unlock your radio or sat nav or whatever you call this thing. DAB lost. There we have it.